hub at Baguio City, and we're located at Kisad Road. I've been operating as a laundress for about a year now, and I've been using the ProLS detergent and fabric conditioner for my machines. And so far, the usage of these chemicals are very fine and very good for all our laundry outputs. Now, I've been receiving testimonials also from my clients that they love the scent. It's very mild, and on top of it all, it's also eco-friendly as we do not use sachets already. So I encourage you all to make use of the same product, as it also takes care of your fabrics very, very well.